Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Jamaica Public Service Company JPSCO is defending its billing rates for fuel. It follows claims that lower oil prices are not being reflected on electricity bills. Chief Financial Officer at JPS, Vernon Douglas, addressed the issue at a digital town hall meeting over the weekend.
We do use a combination of oil and natural gas as key inputs into the production of electricity or electricity that we buy. To the extent that those prices have changed downwards, that is something that flows through monthly on all electricity bills as a standard, as part of the fuel and IPP charges. That is a straight cost pass-through to customers. So when those charges trend downwards, it's immediately passed through to all customers in a transparent basis.
Oil prices hit an 18-year low today. Oil for delivery in May lost $1.52 to settle at $20.26 per barrel. With more companies being forced to implement work-from-home initiatives due to COVID-19, at least one local firm admits that it's likely to continue after the pandemic is over. Managing Director at Foster, Cecil Foster, says the workers have already started to buy into the practice.
I think the work-from-home program has shown us that we can look at some part of our business and have a different kind of arrangement for that part of the business as we go on into the future. We are also positively using more technology to get the job done. The internet and Blast and a number of other tools that we would have been a little bit hesitant to use before, we are now using those to get the information out. And our team seem to be liking it. And so we see some positives from it.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.07. The Canadian sold for $97.93. The pound closed at $168.27, while the euro is selling for $148.30. To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 5,877 points today, and the junior market index is up by 108 points. Among the winners, Derrimont Trading, Pulse Investments, General Accident Insurance Company, Access Financial Services, and Key Insurance. On the losing side were First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, Caribbean Cement Company, Stanley Motor, Carbon Producers Group, and Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.